Easy shed plans and design. Your woodworking efforts will be a thoroughly satisfying, enjoyable and ego-boosting experience. You will no longer dread the next time you sit in front of your shed plan. Your buddies will watch in awe as you put up your shed with the precision of a veteran woodworker. Speaking from experience, I hope you can handle a lot of other woodworkers' envy, because you're going to get your fair share of it. But actually, what you'll really be getting is their respect, admiration and praise, and a lot of people begging you to tell them your secret. You, of course, won't mind this a bit. Your account balance will start overflowing like a dike in a storm. You'll be getting offers to build sheds for your friends and colleagues. And your biggest concern will figuring out how much to charge for your expert advice. In a nutshell, you'll finally experience professional shed building as it's supposed to be. Like it or not, you're going to be building gorgeous, professional-grade sheds in less time. And with higher accuracy because of the incredibly clear and complete instructions that give you a clear view of every step you need to take. But before you take it, right now you've 3 options. Option 1. Just wing it. You may have some experience with woodwork. You may think you can roll the dice and get it done on your own. More power to you. Go for it. Option 2. Stick with other roll the dice shed plans. You may not mind having to go back to Home Depot 2 or 3 times. Then hunt down one of the employees, which takes about 10 to 20 minutes, and hopefully they can fill in the holes in the plan you're using. And maybe, just maybe, you'd get the shed complete. And if you're lucky, you won't have those aggravating misalignments that stand out like eyesores. It's fine if you want to do this. Most people do. Then again, most people give up. And spent about 3 to 4 times what they should. Option 3. Get a sure thing. Have a plan that you can take to the hardware store once. Get everything you need once. Finish each step once. And avoid wondering if you are doing it right. And be able to see what it's supposed to look like from all angles on paper, so you know you got it right at each stage. And at the last step, when everything comes together, they come together perfectly. Every edge, every joint, every part fitting perfectly. And Viola, you have a stunning, perfect shed that looks like a professional woodworker made it. And best of all, you saved money, saved time and had fun, and avoided a load of stress. Here's what to do now. Go ahead and try this shed plans package for yourself completely risk-free. Please check this link, https://bit.ly/2vqdoc.